inside your house.
It's going to be a meltdown.
Konnichiwa kimono wearers. Sure, it would be great to spend all our time out here, but even crap boarders and skiers need to rest. So in this vid, we're showing off the Hotel Altitude Nozawa, plus some other Nozawa highlights. This is Altitude Nozawa, a Western-style hotel on the southeast edge of town. It's got a range of rooms, queens, twins, triples, family rooms. This is a queen which faces out the back of the hotel. If you've just stayed in a Tokyo shoebox, they'll feel like a mansion. This is the view from one of the front-facing rooms. All of the rooms are on the first floor. The ground floor has the reception, dry room, the breakfast room and lounge, washing machine and dryer. The vid I did last year shows more of the hotel. I'll leave a link at the end. Your room rate includes brekkie, which is made up of a cooked meal each day, plus cereals, pastries, bread, ham, cheese, fruit, that kind of thing. Last year the cooked items were super. Plenty of eggs, bacon, food to build up your energy levels before you headed to the slopes. This year wasn't as good, unfortunately. Okay. Big hit. Passable. Nup. Definitely no for energy. Better. Repeat meal. Oh jeez. A good one for our last morning. If you don't fill up in the morning, make sure you get a great feed at night. We certainly did. From izakayas to noodle joints to pizzas, each meal satisfies you like a big warm hug from a sumo wrestler. Check this out, the Hulk was sure she brought her beanie and gloves down to the dining area before we headed out, but they've gone missing and she went back to her room looking for them.
I know it's down here somewhere, but it's not upstairs.
I know it's down here.
She's hulking.
Inside your house.
It's going to be a meltdown. Oh, now you just blame your child.
Like many Japanese hotels, you take your shoes off at the entrance and they give you slippers. They occasionally run out of adult slippers. Truth be known, we think Jaffa actually preferred the kiddies' Pikachu slippers. The hotel will pick you up from the Nozawa bus terminal on arrival and drop you off on your last day too. This is very handy. They also run a few shuttles to the Nagasaka base in the morning, as well as into the village centre during the evening. Don't worry if you miss a shuttle to Nagasaka in the morning. The free local bus stops about 30 metres from Altitude Nozawa. Super handy for the end of the day too. Make sure you get out and see a bit of Nozawa village while you're here, and get to an onsen. Not this one, that's for locals to cook in. But maybe one of these. Warning, some are hot enough to poach your undercarriage. Finally, here's a bit of action from the Lantern Festival. We all love Nozawa. Free sake draws a crowd.
Hey boy.
Sorry. Not the person I thought you were.
Oh, they're killing it. Hey, here we go. Hey! See that?
Yeah.
That's better. That's more like it.
Just showing off now.
As usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.